Thank you for visiting us. Enjoy watching.
Beginner S1 number 10. Tell me your symptoms in Indonesian. Grammar. The focus of this lesson is to describe symptoms and feelings.
Selama 3 hari ini saya demam, hidung tersumbat dan sakit kepala.
I've had this fever for 3 days, my nose keeps running, and I've got a severe headache. Let's start with the natural form to express feelings. What will you say when you go to a doctor? Some expressions to describe symptoms in Indonesian are as follows.
Lemah,
Weak,
demam,
fever,
ruam merah,
red rash,
nyeri sakit,
pain/sore/hurt,
bengkak,
swollen,
mual,
mule nauseous,
muntah,
vomit,
pusing, pening,
headed/headache. One simple way to express your symptom is
saya merasa adjektif.
I feel plus adjective.
I feel adjektif.
For example,
1. Saya merasa pusing dan lemah hari ini.
I feel lightheaded and weak today.
2. Saya merasa mual dan muntah selama 6 jam terakhir.
I feel nauseous, and I have been vomiting for the last 6 hours. Another method of expressing your symptoms is by describing the symptoms directly. For example,
1. Saya batuk terus-menerus selama 2 hari ini.
I have coughed constantly for the last 2 days.
2. Nafasku sesak dan otot-ototku rasanya sakit.
I am short of breath, and my muscles are sore.
3. Kulit saya gatal dan merah-merah.
I have got an itchy red rash on my skin.
4. Gejala ini muncul habis makan udang.
These symptoms appear after eating shrimp.
5. Saya kedinginan dan sangat lemah, terutama pada sore hari.
I have chills and feel very weak, especially in the late afternoon.
6. Saya merasakan nyeri di bagian bawah punggung.
I have a sharp pain in my lower back.
7. Hidung saya mampet dan perut saya sakit.
My nose is stuffy, and my stomach hurts. In interrogative forms, the way to ask about one's condition is by using this simple sentence.
1. Apa yang kamu rasakan?
What do you feel?
Kosakata.
Vocabulary.
Berhenti.
To stop.
Radang.
Inflammation.
Demam.
Fever.
Hidung.
Nose.
Merokok.
To smoke.
Resep.
Prescription.
Sakit kepala.
Headache.
Obat.
Medicine.
Contoh kalimat.
Sample sentences.
Ayah telah berhenti merokok sejak 7 tahun lalu.
Father stopped smoking 7 years ago.
Saya tidak enak badan karena radang tenggorokan.
I am not feeling well because of my tonsil inflammation.
Karena demam, Andi mengajukan cuti dari kantor.
Because of a fever, Andy asked permission to leave.
Pria itu punya jerawat di hidungnya.
The man has a pimple on his nose.
Andi merokok 2 bungkus rokok sehari.
Andy smokes 2 packs of cigarettes in a day.
Resep obat itu untuk dihabiskan dalam 3 hari.
The medicine prescription has to be finished in 3 days.
Kemarin saya tidak bisa tidur karena sakit kepala.
I could not sleep last night because of my headache.
Obat ini mahal.
This medicine is expensive. Vocabulary phrase usage.
Merokok.
Is a verb that can be translated as to smoke. The prefix "me" in
Merokok.
is to express the activity regarding the time caption of the sentence. An example is,
Dia mulai merokok sejak kuliah di luar negeri.
he started to smoke when he went abroad to study. Obat is a noun meaning medicine. Indonesian has a simple way to make singular nouns plural, which is by repeating the noun. The plural noun obat can be expressed as
Obat-obatan.
an example is,
Sejak jatuh sakit, dia rutin minum obat-obatan.
since his illness, he takes medicine regularly.
Sakit kepala.
Can be translated as headache. The noun is derived from the word sakit as hurt or illness and the word
Kepala.
as head. To express being unwell or a condition in any part of the body, we can use the word sakit added to any part of the body. Some examples are
Sakit gigi.
as toothache and
Sakit perut.
as stomachache.
Percakapan.
Conversation.
Selamat sore Andi.
Good afternoon, Andy.
Kelihatannya hidungmu merah dan bengkak.
I see your nose is red and swollen.
Selama 3 hari ini saya demam, hidung tersumbat, dan sakit kepala.
I have had this fever for 3 days. My nose keeps running, and I've had a severe headache.
Coba saya periksa, buka mulutmu dan bilang, "Ah."
Let me check. Open your mouth and say ah.
"Ah."
Ah.
Kelihatannya ada radang pada amandel.
Looks like your tonsils are inflamed.
Apa yang harus saya lakukan, dokter?
What should I do, doctor?
Saya berikan resep obat.
I will give you a prescription for medicine.
Habiskan obat ini, minum banyak air, dan istirahat yang cukup.
Finish this medicine, drink a lot of liquid, and take a good rest.
Masih boleh merokok?
Am I still allowed to smoke, doctor?
Berhentilah merokok supaya cepat sembuh.
Stop smoking for a quick recovery.
Thank you for watching this video. Please click like and subscribe to watch other videos. Thank you.